Contemporary, Spanish-style home on fully fenced 0.8 per acre. Newly remodeled West Spanish-tiled floors, showers, vanities and kitchen backsplash. Wood floors in bedrooms. Beautiful Talavera sinks. Kitchen West granite counters, large island, bright cabinets, and new stainless steel appliances. Vaulted ceiling in great room West fireplace. 10 feet ceiling throughout light and open floor plan West/custom stained solid oak cabinetry. 40-year comb. Roof and solar. Many fruit trees on drip, chicken coop, doghouse and play fort. Lots of open space between neighbors. Stunning views of the foothills from big covered Trex deck, side patio and front porch. Huge bonus space under house West/electricity, perfect to add on. Short-term rentals okay. HOA West boat launch, docks, swim area, clubhouse. Only $20 per month. Lake Tulloch is calling.